I'll show in this video how you can edit photos with music beats all in TikTok. So you go to your page on TikTok and click on the plus sign, which is the button to record or upload video or photo. Now you leave it on photo and you go to effect. Here we're going to type in slideshow. You come over here, you type slideshow. That's it there. This one, you click on that. Now you come here, this plus here, you click on that. So you're going to select both pictures and videos that you want. You select as many as you want. So you can see the ones we've selected, they are all here. All these ones here are the ones we've selected. So when you are done, you click on done. So you're gonna move it now to record. Let's say we want to record 60 seconds of video. So you move it to 60 seconds and you come over here, you select the sound. The sound that will be up to 60 seconds. So you just, let's say I want this one here. Let me just go by this. I don't know what it says. So can you hear the sound? So we're gonna select that. You can see the sound is on. I'm gonna reduce the voice. I think the voice is okay. So what you do now, I'm gonna press on record. As the beat is going, I'll be tapping on the picture. I'll be tapping on the screen based on the beat that I want. Now watch the way I will do it. I click on this. Right, we'll finish. So now we're going to play it and see if it's going to work according to the beat that we want. So watch out. So watch. You can see. Even my hand that was on the screen tapping it, my hand is not showing. You see what I mean? So you see the move is sliding based on the beat. You can see. So this is amazing. So that's how to do it. So the next stage is we'll go to edit. You see edit here. We'll click on that because we want to go and add some effects. Let's say we want to add we've added sound. Let's say we want to add some flash, different effects. So we'll come over here. We'll click on effect. So under here, you select any effect that you want. Let's say we want you just go down and you look for any effect whatsoever that you would like to use. Let's say we want to use this. Then you click on this. It's there. So when you play it, you see the way it's moving. That's the effect. So let me quickly say that this effect, you can actually move it. You press hold it. If you press hold it, you move it to any position. You can see what I'm doing. You move it to any position that you want. You can as well change the length. You can see the way I'm dragging it. You can make it more, you can make it less. Entirely up to you. You see, you can make the duration less. You can make the duration longer. So when you're satisfied with that, you go back and you add another effect. You click on add effect. You select whether motion or anyone at all. You see, just play around with all the effects. Just play around with them, and then when you are done everything, you click on save, you check it. If you're satisfied, you go to next, and then you post your video. So that's how to edit photos with music beat, all inside of TikTok. We didn't go elsewhere to do all the editing and all that. Comment, like, and follow for more. Thank you.